Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gusto for contractor classification and tax workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Gusto website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your Gusto account. Navigate to the settings section from the dashboard. Select Contractor Management from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add Contractor button. Enter the contractor's information, including name and email address. Specify the contractor's classification for tax purposes. Choose the appropriate tax classification based on your contractor's status. Review Gusto's guidelines for contractor classifications if needed. Assign the contractor to the relevant project or job type. Set the payment schedule for the contractor. Review the contractor's information for accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, click Send Invite. The contractor will receive an email to complete their profile. Instruct the contractor to follow the link in the email and provide required documentation. Wait for the contractor to complete their profile setup. Once completed, you'll receive a notification in your Gusto account. Access the contractor's profile for any additional information or changes. Use Gusto's tools to manage the contractor's payments and tax documents. Monitor compliance with IRS regulations through the Gusto interface. If you need to make adjustments, return to the Contractor Management section to edit. Regularly check for updates on regulations and compliance guidelines within Gusto. Stay in communication with your contractor to address any questions or issues. And that's how you install Gusto for contractor classification and tax workflows efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.